Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The next lecture will be reproduction in bacteria. How the bacteria reproduce. What does it mean by reproduction? Reproduction, a process in which any organism reproduce or produce other organism for maintenance of their kind and survival. We call this what? We call this reproduction. What does it mean by reproduction? Organisms produce other organisms, or other organism we call this offspring. When the organism produce their offspring, for maintenance of their kind and survival, we call this what? We call this reproduction. In case of we talk about how the bacteria reproduce, the bacteria reproduce through two major methods. The one we call this asexual method of reproduction, and the second we call this sexual. What does it mean by asexual? A type of reproduction in which no fusion of male and female gametes occurs is known as asexual reproduction. What will be the MCQs? What will be the most common asexual reproduction in bacteria is dash, fragmentation, hormogonia formation, and binary fission. Binary fission. The most common, what will be how we can define asexual methods? A type of reproduction without what? Without male and female gametes, or without fertilization. Gametes fusion. Without fusion of gametes, simply we call this what? Without fusion of gametes, we call this asexual reproduction. The most common method of asexual reproduction in case of bacteria we call this what? We call this binary fission. नाम से जाहिर है. What does it mean by binary? Binary mean two. Fission mean split up, break down. The splitting of parental bacterial cells into two daughter cells we known as what? Binary. The splitting of parental bacteria into two new daughter cells into two new daughter bacteria we known as binary fission. Splitting, how we can define? Binary fission. Splitting of कौन सा सेल? पेरेंटल बैक्टीरियल सेल. पेरेंटल बैक्टीरियल सेल into what? Into two daughter cells we called as what? We called as binary fission. There is how many stages involving the binary fission? The four main stages. The first we called as what? We called as the first stage we called as, yes, we called as parental bacterial stage. पेरेंटल बैक्टीरिया है, सर्वाइव होते हैं, अपना ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं. जब इसको फेवरेबल इन्वायरमेंट मिल जाते हैं, व्हाट विल हैपन? द डीएनए ऑफ द पेरेंटल बैक्टीरिया रिप्लिकेट एंड बिकम डबल. रिप्लिकेशन ऑफ व्हाट? रिप्लिकेशन ऑफ genetic material, replication of DNA. As a result, replication mean copy of DNA. कौन सा कॉपी? इसका जो सर्कुलर डीएनए है, नेकेड डीएनए है, नॉन हिस्टोनिक डीएनए है. After replication, what will happen? As you will see clearly, there is the cell membrane of bacteria become inward folding. This we call as invagination of cell membrane. We call as a invagination. This inward folding, inward. Yes. This inward folding up cell membrane with the help of cytoplasmic fibers. This inward folding up cell membrane of the parental bacteria we called as what? We called as invagination of cell membrane, or we called as cytokinesis. The third step is a cytokinesis. Division of cytoplasm through inward folding of cell membrane we called as cytokinesis. If the inward folding of cell membrane continues, as a result, the parental cell become split. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Division of cytoplasm into two new cells we called as what? We called as this process, and the last we called as a new daughter cells formation. जब daughter cell बन गया तो फिर हमने आस कर दिया, और दो है वी कॉल्ड एज बाइनरी fission. Why this cell called as a daughter cell and not called as son cells? बेटा इसका क्यों हम नहीं सकते, और इसलिए हम बार बार हमने लिटरेचर भी देख सकते हैं और सब इवन बुक में देखेंगे ओनली daughter cells, because the daughter cell produce many other cells, but the son cell cannot reproduce the other cell. And here is the parental bacteria we called as mother bacteria. Daughter mother बन सकता है लेकिन son नहीं बन सकता. इनकी subsexual reproduction हम बात करेंगे. There is the true sexual reproduction in bacteria? No. There is no sexual reproduction. There is no true sexual reproduction in bacteria. The sexual reproduction of bacteria perform, however, the sexual reproduction of bacteria perform through genetic recombination. What does that mean by genetic recombination? The process is the two different sources of DNA. One source of DNA come from one bacteria, another source of DNA come from another bacteria, and it will combine this two different sources of DNA combined to each other. This process we call this genetic recombination. A process in which two different DNA are combined together is called as genetic recombination. How many types of genetic recombination occur in the bacteria? Types of genetic recombination. There is the three main types of genetic recombination. The one is transformation, the other is transduction, and other is conjugation. The transfer of all of the three methods involve the transfer of genetic material, transfer of DNA. The transfer of genetic materials from one bacterium to another bacterium through absorption we call this transformation. The transfer of genetic materials from one bacterium to another bacterium through carriers, through vector, through third part, through virus, through bacteriophage is known as transduction. The transfer of genetic materials from one bacterium to another bacterium through cytoplasmic bridge we called as conjugation.